Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my portfolio update for March 2023. Over the past few weeks, the stock market experienced a significant drop, with the S&P 500 index dropping by 4.76% and the FTSE 100 index dropping by 6.63%. While this may seem like a negative development for many investors, I see it as a great opportunity to invest. In fact, I was able to invest £2,500 and get a good price due to the market drop. Now let's take a closer look at my portfolio and make a quick comparison between last month's performance and this month. At the end of February, my portfolio was valued at £7,499.25. If you watched my previous update, you may have noticed that at that time my portfolio had a return on investment of £130.45. However, despite being able to invest £1,351.61 at the end of the month, I ended up with a negative return on investment of £49.08. This month, as I mentioned previously, I invested an additional £2,500 and my portfolio ended up with a value of £9,820.23, and I have a negative return of £179.02 so far. Now, let's jump on the Vanguard and take a look at my overall portfolio. My portfolio value is £9,820.23, with a negative personal rate of return of 1.60% since the account was opened, and with the largest investment in the S&P 500, which makes up to 45.93% of my portfolio. Now let's check out the other investments. Let's check the detailed view. I'm planning to make the Developed World ETF VEVE the largest investment in my portfolio, around 60 or 70%. The S&P 500 around 20 or 30%, and the emerging markets around 10%. Let's check performance. As you can see, this month I invested 3 times. I invested on 11 March, on 13 March, and on 23 March. Now let's check the calculation. I invested £9,906.61 and my overall return on investments is currently negative at £86.38. However, I did make a gain of £50.33 by selling my funds, and I reinvested that money in the Developed World VEVE. As I said, the total is negative £86.38. Now let's check the month. A lot of red here, as you can see. Now let's check the insights. I'm a bit overexposed to the North America because of the S&P 500 and the VEVE, but that's okay, I'll fix it in time. In the past 3 months, my return on investment has been positive with a gain of £14.59. If you are curious about money mistakes that can keep you stuck in the rat race, I suggest you to check out this video. Or if you are interested in how to withdraw money from Vanguard when the time comes, check out this video.